Hi friends, welcome back to my online class. My name is Vishwanath. This session chapter is real numbers. Topic irrational numbers part 2. In my last class, in irrational numbers part 1, I explained about root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. or irrational numbers using contradiction method. See how to prove root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. using contradiction method. In this class, I am going to explain how to prove 2 plus root 3, root 5 plus 7, 2 minus root 7, 2 plus 3 root 3 are irrational numbers using contradiction method. As in my last class, I explained root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. using contradiction method. Usually they don't specify which method should be used to prove root 3, root 5, root 7. Similarly, in this case also, 2 plus root 3, root 5 plus 7, 2 minus root 7, 2 plus 3 root 3 are irrational number. Usually they don't specify which method to be followed. In CBSE class 10th, we are following contradiction method only. So I suggest you to follow contradiction method only to prove 2 plus root 3, root 5 plus 7, 2 minus root 3, 2 plus 3 root 3, etc. are irrational numbers. Let us take one example from these. 2 plus root 3. Let us assume 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. As already I explained what is contradiction method. In that contradiction method, which irrational number is given, that irrational number we equate to rational number. In this case, 2 plus root 3, assume 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. So once 2 plus root 3 is a rational number, therefore 2 plus root 3 will be equal to a by b. We know that a by b, rational numbers are denoted by a by b form where b not equal to 0. So here a and b are integers. In 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b, here a and b are integers. In proving of root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. using contradiction method, we equated root 3 or root 5 or root 7 is equal to a by b, where we specified a and b are co-primes. But here don't specify a and b are co-primes. Though a and b are co-primes also, here let us take a and b are integers. Next step, 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b. We shift this 2 to the other side. Isolate this root 3. Isolate the root 3, shift 2 to the other side. Minus 2. Root 3 equals to, take LCM on the right hand side. B into 1b, a into 1a, minus 2 into b, 2b. Now, a minus 2b by b is a rational number. How? Let us take an example. In a by b, take a as 2, b as 3. A by b is a rational number. In 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b. A by b is a rational number. There a and b are integers. In example a by b, let us take a as 2, b as 3. These a and b values 2 and 3 we put in place of a minus 2b all divided by b. A is 2 minus 2 into b is 3 divided by b is 3. 2 minus 6 all divided by 3 equals to minus 4 divided by 3. This minus 4 divided by 3 is a rational number. 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b. We took 2 plus root 3 is a rational number in contradiction method. So 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b. Here a and b are integers. 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b. We shifted 2 on the other side. Root 3 equal to a by b minus 2. Root 3 is equal to a minus 2b by b by taking LCM for the denominators. Now a minus 2b by b is a rational number. Okay, a by b is a rational number. How come a minus 2b all divided by b is a rational number? We took an example here. Let a equals to 2, b is equal to 3. A by b is a rational number, that is sure. A minus 2b all divided by b, how come it is a rational number? We put a value 2 and b value 3 in place of a and b over here. What result we obtained? Minus 4 divided by 3. It is also a rational number. It is in the form of a by b. So therefore, a by b is a rational number. A minus 2b whole divided by b is also a rational number. But we know that root 3 is a irrational. We know that root 3 is an irrational. This root 3 is an irrational. That we proved. In my last class, I explained root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. are irrational numbers. Now in this, root 3 is an irrational number. A minus 2b whole divided by b is a rational number. For that, we checked here by taking one example. So therefore, a minus 2b whole divided by b is a rational number. But root 3 is an irrational number. That we proved the last class. Then root 3 is an irrational number. A minus 2b whole divided by b is a rational number. Irrational number equal to rational number. So this leads to contradiction. Root 3 is an irrational number. A minus 2b whole divided by b is a rational number. Because a and b are integers. That integers a and b we put in place of a minus 2b whole divided by b. We obtained the result as a rational number. So here root 3 is an irrational number. A minus 2b whole divided by b is a rational number. Irrational number equal to rational number. How come? This leads to contradiction. This is because of we assumed 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. Because 2 plus root 3 was an irrational number, but we assumed as a rational number in contradiction method. That leads to irrational number is equal to rational number. Therefore, our assumption becomes wrong. Hence, 2 plus root 3 is an irrational. So friends, in this way, 2 plus root 3, root 5 plus 7, 2 minus root 7, 2 plus 3 root 3 are irrational number using contradiction method you can prove. I repeat once again, the example taken 2 plus root 3, assume 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. Once it is a rational number, we specify that one in the form of a by b, where b not equal to 0. And there a and b are integers. 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b. in the left hand side 2, we shifted to the right hand side. What tricks we are using here, which is already we proved as an irrational number, that we are isolating. So 2 we shifted on the other side. Which are not irrational number, that shift on the other side. That is the trick. Root 3 is equal to a minus 2b all divided by b by taking LCM. Now a minus 2b all divided by b is a rational number. Because a by b is a rational number, a minus 2b all divided by b is also a rational number. But we know that root 3 is an irrational. That we proved in the last class. Our assumption becomes wrong because of irrational number equal to rational number. This leads to contradiction. Our assumption becomes wrong. Hence 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. In the same way, 5 minus root 7, you want to prove it as an irrational number, also equal to a by b by assuming. Here root 7 is an irrational number. But question is 5 minus root 7, whole thing you have to prove it as an irrational number. But we know that root 7 is an irrational number. So what we have to do? Isolate this root 7, shift the 5 on the other side. Minus 5. Take LCM. B into 1b, 1 into AA, 5 into b, 5b. So in the LHS minus is there. No? So the left hand side and right hand side both you multiply with minus. Minus of minus root 7 minus of a minus 5b whole divided by b. It becomes root 7 and minus into a minus into 5b plus 5b minus a whole divided by b. Minus into a minus into 5b plus 5b whole divided by b. Now root 7 is an irrational number. 5b minus a by whole divided by b is a rational number. Irrational number is not equal to rational number. This leads to contradiction. In this way, we can prove this kind of irrational numbers using contradiction method. Let us see another example. 3 plus 2 plus 3 root 3 is equal to a by b by assuming to the rational number. So here root 7 is an irrational number. So isolate this part. Mainly you isolate this part. How to isolate? First shift 2 on the other side. 3 root 3, keep it in the LHS. Minus 2. 3 root 3, take LCM on the other side. B into 1b, 1 into AA, minus 2 into b, 2b. Now one more 3 is multiplied with the irrational number root 3. So we shift this through 3 on the other side. A minus 2b whole divided by 3b. The 3 shifted in the denominator. Now you can say a minus 2b whole divided by 3b is a rational number, but root 3 is an irrational number. Irrational number is not equal to rational number. Hence this leads to contradiction. Therefore the given 2 plus 3 root 3 is an irrational number. The first example, 2 plus root 3. Root 3 is an irrational number, but the question is whole thing you have to prove it as an irrational number. But we know root 3 is an irrational number separately. How to prove the whole thing is an irrational number? Isolate this root 3 and shift that 2 on the other side, and this leads to contradiction. I already proved. In the same way, 5 minus root 7. Root 7 is an irrational number, we know that, but we need to prove whole thing is an irrational number. So I isolated this root 7. The other example, 2 plus 3 root 3. Only root 3 is an irrational number, we know that. So we isolate that. How to isolate? 2 shift on the other side by minus 2 after the LCM. 3 we shifted in the denominator. So finally we can prove 2 plus 3 root 3 is an irrational number using contradiction method. The other example. Only 2 root 3 is an irrational number. If they ask, we equate to a by b. Only root 3 is an irrational number. No, we isolate that. You shift this 2 on the other side, it becomes 2b. Now a by 2b is an irrational number. Sorry, a by b is a rational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. This leads to contradiction. So like many examples are there, student. The other example, root 2 plus root 3. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Equate to a by b. Here both are irrational number, but we need to prove whole thing is an irrational number. What to do? See, if only one is irrational number given, the other one is a rational number, we can shift to the other side. But both are irrational number. So we need to go by squaring on both the sides. If we squaring on both the side, a plus b whole square. A square is only 2, b square is only 3, 2ab. 2ab is equal to a square by b square. Now 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a square by b square. We shift the 5 on the other side. 2 root 6 is equal to a square by b square minus 5. 2 root 6 equal to a square by b square minus 5b square. If you take LCM, b square into 1b square, 1 into a square, b square into b square. One more 2 is there, that we shift on the other side, it become 2b square. Now the whole thing, a square minus 5b square divided by 2b square is a rational number, but root 6 is an irrational number. So in this way we can isolate two irrational numbers are given, the whole thing we need to prove. So which one to be shift on the other side? Both are irrational number. The previous case, only root 3 is an irrational number, we can shift 2 and 3. On the other side we can equate to rational and irrational by contradiction. But here both are irrational number, we cannot shift any one on the other side. Therefore what I did, I went to squaring on both the side. Then we obtain 2 plus 3 5. 2 into root 2 root 3 root 6, root 2 into root 3 root 6, 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 equal to a square by b square. 2 root 6 is equal to a square by b square minus 5. After the LCM, a square minus 5b square whole divided by b square. 2 also we need to shift. Finally root 6 is equal to, the root 6 is a single irrational number that is equal to rational number. This leads to contradiction, therefore our assumption wrong. Hence root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational. Friends, homework for you. Prove that 7 root 2 divided by 3 is an irrational. Second, prove that root 5 minus 7 is an irrational. I hope you people will try. Prove that 7 root 2 divided by 3 is an irrational, and prove that root 5 minus root 7 is an irrational. Don't you? Yes, it is very easy. Thank you.